The key benefit of the Miele S7 is the unique swivel neck, allowing steering in all directions. The swivel neck is so maneuverable that the S7 can even be laid flat to the floor. Using the foot switch, the casing is disengaged from the floor head, and the rear wheels disappear into the floor head. The other key to nimbleness is smooth-running front casters. The S7 negotiates obstacles with playful ease and reaches into inaccessible places, between tables and chairs, under armchairs. Moving from hard flooring to a rug, no problem. The foot switch raises the floor head, and negotiating carpet edges is simple. The extra long cable on the S7 provides an enormous operating radius. Vacuuming without inconvenient interruptions.